Look, man, I want you to focus on one thing. I done said this multiple times before, but you got to focus on one thing if you're a business owner, especially if you're brand new in business and you're trying to do like a million things at one time. I understand that you got all these different plans and goals and ideas, but I'm telling you, I done did it before. And if you try to focus on 10, 15 different things at once, you're not going to be able to make it. You got to focus on that one thing, get that one thing up and running. And if you got other things that can branch off from there and you can like distribute something to the same client, like let's say you do credit repair and we also offer funding, my credit repair clients can also use the money that I can give them right after that to invest in something else that we can even offer them. Like with my real estate company, I can sell them apartments. So when I fix your credit, then I'll get you some money, then I'll get you some passive income right after that. So if it's something like that, that's a little different. You can kind of swing that, but at the beginning, I want you to focus on one thing. And I'm telling you, it might sound like it's kind of cliche, or it might sound like, you can do it, and I'm just kind of putting limiting beliefs on you, but I just want you to think about it. If you got 100% of attention and you divide your attention between 10 different things, you really can focus on that, on each one of those things with 10% of your attention. What I want you to do instead is focus 75, 50, or 100% on that one thing. And once you grow that, and once you really build that out, you can be a solopreneur for a while, but then once you really decide that you want to scale, you got to focus on that thing that you're doing. Like me personally, even I have to scale back and focus on what I'm doing because I have a lot of different businesses too, but you have to start building a team around you, and it's going to take your focus to be able to really structure that team, like training the salespeople, getting your marketing up, running ads, meeting and talking to people, making sure your people talking to the people on the phone correctly. There's a lot of different things that you got to do in business, and being a solopreneur will only get you so far. You might be able to make 100,000 in a year, but we're not looking for 100,000 a year. We're looking for 100,000 a week. We're looking for 100,000 a day. We're looking for at least 100,000 a month. So you gotta elevate your mind in that thinking. And I was told a long time ago that if your one business not making $1 million a year, why are you focusing on all these other things?